I'd like to welcome you all back. Today, I'm going to be sowing these. It says so February to March, but with me having a heated greenhouse, I'm going to sow them this time of year. But like I said, if you've got a normal greenhouse, please sow them on a windowsill, a well-lit windowsill. It says that they're from February to March. 15-20 Celsius, 68 Fahrenheit. Roughly, I think 700 seeds in this packet, so let's just have a look at them, shall we? They're really tiny, so you have to bear with me. I mean really tiny, these seeds. Absolutely minute. Get these cut open. I'm using a peat-based compost. It's got plenty of wood fibre in as well, as you can see. A really nice crumb to it. It's also got a little bit of feed in, which helps. As soon as they germinate, they've got something to get the teeth into then. Let's get this open, shall we? Sorry about the noise, the wind's getting up today, so these are, it tells you to grow them as an annual, take cuttings off them every year, but they're also, a lot of places on the internet said they're a hardy perennial. I've grown them before and they've died because I've had really bad winters, so these, I will be taking, any that I get that I like, I will be taking cuttings off so, and fetching them into the greenhouse to overwinter them. They're the seeds. Give them a sprinkle. I'm going to use all these because I want to get as many as I can out of this. As you can see, it's really tiny. Sprinkle them as evenly as you can. Also, any seed packets that are like this, I also keep open because you do get them sticking to the inside of the packet normally. The corners there, just a few there. It's not want that. Right. That's that done. All you need to do then is some well-sieved compost, just a nice light layer. It also says 15 to 20 Fahrenheit. Or is it Fahrenheit and Celsius mixed up me, but yeah, you know what I mean. A nice gentle 1/8 of an inch sowing mil. Once that's done, I'll give this a good water, and then this will go in my heated propagator. Like I said, wait till February, March if you haven't got a heated propagator or a heated greenhouse. You can do this on a well-lit windowsill and it should grow just fine. But you need at least 8-10 hours of sunshine a day, otherwise it'll grow really leggy. So, yeah, if you've got any questions regarding these, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe, folks, and please click on the bell. If you're on Facebook, please follow me. Thank you much for watching. Stay safe, everybody. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, stay safe, everybody. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.